Hi, my name is Melanie Severo. I'm a licensed acupuncturist and registered nurse. Today, I want to address the question, does acupuncture hurt? And what kind of goes along with that is I'm afraid of needles. I don't think I'm going to be able to do acupuncture. So acupuncture doesn't hurt. Sometimes people will feel the needles go in. It's a little bit like a stinging or a tiny little poke, which usually subsides very quickly. So most people don't feel it at all. Once the needle is in, you may feel a heavy pressure-like sensation, a warm spreading sensation. Some of the points are a little bit more intense than other points, and I always like to give my clients a heads up if I'm expecting something to be a little bit stronger. The other thing is, with your practitioner, it's very important for you to be in constant communication to let them know what you're feeling. And if a point goes in and is particularly intense, what we do when I have my patients on the table is I'll have them breathe through it, and then I'll have them monitor the point. And over the next few seconds, I expect that the point will die down. If it doesn't, we can reposition the needle, or we can just take the needle out and go to other points. Usually, if it's that strong, it does what it needs to do pretty much the minute it goes in, and it's not necessary to retain it. If you're having pain issue in your back or some other musculoskeletal pain, sometimes those areas can be a little intense. So what we'll do is we'll work our way up to that area. So we'll start at the periphery with hands and arms, feet and legs, and then we'll work our way in to the area that's causing you the most trouble. At that point, again, with a lot of feedback between me and my patients, we try to gauge where they're at and see if they feel like they can tolerate needles in the area. And what we'll do is we start out with a shallow needling technique or more gentle needling technique just to see how they're doing, and then we can progress from there. For people who are scared of needles, I always am in constant communication with them. I let them know where I'm at, what they're going to feel next. And that way they can be in communication with me as well, letting me know what they're feeling and how they're tolerating it. The needles that I use in acupuncture are so much different from the ones that you're used to seeing in a lab or in your doctor's office. They're much smaller. They don't have a hole in the middle to put in medication or to take blood out, things like that. They're a solid needle, but they're only about a width of one of your pieces of hair. So you don't have to worry that you're going to feel such strong sensation with an acupuncture needle. So if you're afraid of needles, be sure to speak with your practitioner, let them know beforehand, and just stay in constant communication with them so that they know where you're at. That's all I have for today. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in the section below the video, and I'll be glad to get back to you. Thanks, and have a great day.